Welcome to this stunning new build in Crystal Springs Estates, Alvarado. This beautiful 4-bed, 3-bath ranch-style home offers over 3,000 square feet of bright open living space with a spacious kitchen, formal dining room and a cosy masonry fireplace. Set on just under 1.2 acres with mature trees and a huge covered patio, it's perfect for family living and entertaining. Let's take a closer look inside this Energy Star certified model home that truly feels like your dream home come to life. Welcome to 2101 Crystal Palace Boulevard in Alvarado. A beautifully upgraded 4-bed, 3-bath home on over 1.1 acres, tucked away in the peaceful Crystal Springs Estates community. This is the builder's model home, so it's packed with premium features. Full foam insulation, Energy Star certification, smart home tech and designer finishes throughout. Step into this huge open concept living space anchored by a gorgeous stone fireplace and flowing seamlessly into the kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinets, a walk-in pantry and a large island perfect for entertaining. You'll also find a formal dining room, a breakfast nook and plenty of room for everyday living or special occasions. The owner's suite is oversized with room for a sitting area, and the ensuite bath includes dual sinks, a soaking tub, separate shower and walk-in closet. You'll also find 3 additional spacious bedrooms plus a dedicated home office. Need space? You've got a full-size utility room, a 3-car garage and a massive backyard shaded by mature trees, with a covered patio ready for summer barbecues. And here's the big bonus. The builder is offering a $25,000 incentive you can use towards closing costs, rate buy-downs or upgrades. That's real money in your pocket at closing, and a rare find in today's market. If you're looking for space, peace and premium finishes, all within commuting distance of Fort Worth, 2101 Crystal Palace could be your next move. Call or text me today to book a private tour or chat about how we can make this home yours. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the beautiful Crystal Springs Estates home in Alvarado. If you'd like to see it in person or have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm Stuart Bucknell with Living in Texas, here to help you find your perfect home. My contact details are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tours. See you next time.